Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Dear kids, today I will ask some questions from you. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay, kids, listen to me carefully. My first question is, tell me any 5 birds' name.
Peacock, parrot, pigeon, vulture, ostrich.
Very good. Can anyone tell more birds' name except these?
Yes, ma'am. I can tell. Crow and sparrow.
Very good. Now someone tell me which kind of food is healthy for us.
Fruits, green vegetables, milk, curd, dal, chapati, rice and salad are healthy for us.
Very good, kids. Now the next question is, do you think that we should eat pizza?
No, ma'am.
Yes, you are right, my dear kids. Now the next question is, can anyone tell, should we take milk every day?
Yes, ma'am. We should take milk 2 times a day.
Very good, dear kids.